Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Code Switch in 2020, where we teach indigenous languages. Today we continue with our speed lesson, looking at lesson number 27, 5 words of the day. Today's words are as follow: confusion, tlhakatlhakano, 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 tlhakatlhakano. Delicious, monate, 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 monate. Misbehave, go itshwara gampe, 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 go itshwara gampe. Negotiate, rerishana, 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 rerishana. Offensive, lehlapa, 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 lehlapa. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please go to Code Switch in 2020.